The intricate workings of the brain have long fascinated scientists and philosophers alike. Modern neuroscience research continues unraveling the mysteries of the mind and nervous system, often with surprising results. In this video, I will share 15 fascinating secrets about the brain and nervous system that neurologists have uncovered. The human brain contains over 100 billion neurons and is capable of amazing feats. But many of its most intriguing functions occur without our conscious awareness. Let's dive into 15 of neuroscience's most mind-blowing secrets. Secret 1. The brain is constantly pruning and reorganizing itself in a process called neuroplasticity. The brain is constantly rewiring itself by strengthening helpful connections and pruning redundant ones based on your experiences. This ability persists through life, not just childhood. The brain literally reshapes itself. Secret 2. The brain uses 10 times more energy than other organs. Although the brain only accounts for 280 of body weight, it uses a whopping 20 of the body's energy. The brain works incredibly hard around the clock, regulating everything from breathing to personality expression. This massive energy expenditure enables complex cognition. Secret 3. The brain gets rid of toxins while you sleep. It's a plumbing system in the brain, called the glymphatic system, clears away metabolic waste products and neurotoxins during sleep. This cleansing process may explain why sleep is so biologically necessary and mood-boosting. Secret 4. Mental activities alter brain structure beyond just functional changes. Activities like learning new skills and thought patterns physically remodel the brain's cortical structure. Gray matter density and connectivity visibly changes with cognitive habits over time. Secret 5. The brain can't feel pain. The brain itself lacks pain receptors and cannot feel agony, even during surgeries performed while patients are awake. However, pain elsewhere triggers brain activity in areas like the anterior cingulate cortex. Secret 6. Chronic stress damages the brain. Prolonged stress literally shrinks parts of the brain involved in memory, learning, and emotion regulation, including the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. Managing stress is imperative for brain health. Secret 7. Dance integration therapy rebuilds brains. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to form new neural pathways even after injury. Dance therapy that engages the whole body helps rebuild connections in those with disabilities, brain damage, or neurodegenerative diseases. Secret 8. The brain's visual processing astounds computers. Using billions of neurons, the brain rapidly interprets visual stimuli in ways even the most advanced computers cannot. Identifying objects, filling in gaps, tracing motion, the visual cortex handles incredibly complex data. Secret 9. The brain feels touch before the spine. Sensory information travels to the brain first before diverting to the spinal cord for transmission throughout the body. The brain receives, filters, and processes sensory signals before you're even consciously aware. Secret 10. Socializing benefits the brain. Positive social interaction stimulates the brain's production of a growth hormone called BDNF that generates new neurons. Isolation has the opposite impact. Social brain stimulation improves cognition. Secret 11. Musical training strengthens brain networks. Learning to play an instrument enhances the brain's functional and structural networks. Musical training increases gray matter volume, strengthens connectivity, and heightens audio-visual integration and motor coordination. Secret 12. The brain starts dying at age 27. By our late 20s, the aging process begins causing brain volume and connectivity to slowly decline. But new research shows we can take action through exercising, learning, and socializing to minimize deterioration. Secret 13. The brain can suppress unwanted memories. When a memory becomes too negative, the brain is capable of intentionally blocking access to it. Hippocampal cells can inhibit retrieval of the memory without erasing it completely. This suppression relieves PTSD symptoms. Secret 14. Brain hormones influence sleep patterns. Hormones like melatonin, orexin, serotonin, and adenosine help regulate the brain's sleep and wake cycles. Imbalances in these chemicals can disrupt sleep, causing disorders like insomnia and narcolepsy. Secret 15. The brain's wiring continues into the 20s. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for planning and decision-making, keeps developing well into the 20s. This explains increased maturity and forethought as we leave our teens. Brain development continues longer than commonly assumed. Thanks for joining me as we uncovered some of neuroscience's most fascinating secrets. Understanding the brain's incredible inner workings should inspire us all to minimize anything that might harm it, while engaging in activities proven to maximize brain health and performance. Let me know in the comments which brain secret fascinated you most.